Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class 2 today we have unit number 10 and the topic is the sun and the stars from your amazing science book. This is your amazing science book by Oxford. The sun and the stars. On a clear moonless night, you can see thousands of stars. On a clear moonless night, you can see thousands of stars. Stars. Stars are great clouds of gas and dust particles. Stars क्या है? Great clouds of gas. गैस के बहुत बड़े बड़े clouds हैं and dust particles which are packed tightly together. और dust के particles हैं जो कि बहुत tightly एक दूसरे के साथ packed हैं. So stars are great clouds of gas and dust particles which are packed tightly together. They heat up and begin to shine. They heat up, ये गर्म हो जाते हैं and begin to shine और चमकना शुरू कर देते हैं. If you look up at the sky on a clear moonless night, you will see thousands of stars. अगर आप आसमान में देखें जिस दिन चांद जो है आपको वहाँ पर नज़र ना आ रहा हो तो उस रात में आप thousands of stars को देख सकते हैं. If you gaze for a while, you will notice that some of the bright stars could be joined up to make patterns in the sky. अगर आप गौर से देखें, you will notice, आप नोटिस करेंगे some of the bright stars, उनमें से कुछ ज़्यादा चमकदार जो stars होंगे they would be joined, वो आपस में join हुए होंगे to make patterns in the sky और वो sky में एक pattern बना लेते हैं. So what are stars? Stars are great clouds of gas and dust particles which are packed tightly together. They heat up and begin to shine. If you look up at the sky on a clear moonless night, you will see thousands of stars. If you gaze for a while, you will notice that some of the bright stars could be joined up to make patterns in the sky. You will notice that these two patterns stars make in the sky, the great bear, the little bear, the great bear, the little bear, the earth and the sun. This is the earth and this sun. The sun is a star. It is very small star. The sun is a star and it is a very small star. Many stars are bigger than the sun और बहुत से stars ऐसे जो कि sun से बहुत बड़े हैं. The sun looks big because it is nearer to us. sun जो है हमें वो काफ़ी बड़ा नज़र आता है क्योंकि वो हमारे काफ़ी नज़दीक है. It is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. It is 150 millions away from the earth. It is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. यानी कि 150 million kilometer away है अर्थ से. Sometimes we can see dark patches on the surface of the sun. Sometimes यानी कभी कभी हमें कुछ dark जो patches हैं निशान नज़र आते हैं on the surface of the sun. These are called sunspots. These are called sunspots. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin D. और sunlight हमारी skin को क्या देती है? Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin D. हमारी skin को help करती है vitamin D make करने में. A plant makes its food in sunlight. So the light of the sun is very important for all the living things. Sometimes we can see dark patches on the surface of the sun, and these are called sunspots. The sun gives us heat and light. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin D. Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin D. The heat of the sun helps to make wind and rain. The heat of the sun helps to make wind and rain. The earth would be very dark and cold without the sun. You just imagine that if there is no sun, so how we can get the light? And where from we get the heat? So it means if we have no sun, then the earth will be very dark and cold without the sun. So nothing would be able to live on the earth. तो कुछ भी ज़मीन अर्थ पर जो है वो रहने के नहीं रह सकता, इस काबिल नहीं होगा कि वो ज़मीन पर रह सके, क्योंकि लाइट नहीं होगी तो क्या हम देख सकेंगे? ना दिन में ना रात में. और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होगी तो कोई ज़िंदा रह सकता है? सो इट मीन्स द सन इज़ वेरी important source of heat and light, a natural big source of heat and light on the earth. Hot air rises when the sunlight falls on the river and lakes. The hot air rises, blows towards the sea and cools down and returns to land as sea breeze. आप देखिए जब when the sunlight falls on the lake or sea, the hot air rises, तो गर्म हवा जो है वो ऊपर आसमान की तरफ जाती है, blows towards the sea, और फिर sea की तरफ blow करती है, then cools down, फिर यहाँ पे आके वो ठंडी हो जाती है, and returns to the land as sea breeze, और फिर एक sea breeze की तरह land में return हो जाती है. Now it is our exercise work. Answer the following questions. And the question number 1 is, when can we see the stars shine? And the answer is, stars shine at night. Question B, are stars big or small? Stars are big. Question C is, why do stars look small? The answer of this question is, stars look small. They look small because they are very far away. Stars look small because they are very far away. Question D is, what is the sun? The sun is a very small star. Question E is, how far is the sun from the earth? How far is the sun from the earth? The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Now the question number 2 is, tick under yes or no. The sentence A is, plants use sunlight to make food. Yes, because plants need sunlight to make their food, so tick under the yes. Sentence B is, sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin C. Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin C. It's wrong. It helps our skin to make vitamin D. So tick under the no. C is sunlight helps to make wind and rain. Yes, sunlight helps to make wind and rain. Number D is the earth. So tick under the yes. Number D is the earth would be very hot without the sun. No, it would be very cold without the sun. So tick under the no. Nothing would be able to live on the earth without the sun. Yes, right. Without the sun, nothing would be able to live on the earth. So tick under the yes. And the question number 3, can you name these star patrons? The first patron on your book is the Great Bear, and the second patron is the Light Bear. So you have to write under the left side picture, that is the left side star patron, the Great Bear, and the right side star patron, the Little Bear. Okay, this is your worksheet. Fill in the blanks. The sun is a star. The sun gives us heat and light. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Sunlight helps our skin to make vitamin D. The heat of the sun helps to make wind and rain. So this is your worksheet which you have to do on your science copy. So to class, you have to learn all these question answers and the tick cross and the name of the star patrons also, and you have to learn all the lesson very well. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.